Ladies and gentlemen, another stunning car coming up this weekend at Lloyds at Carrara is this beautiful XY GT replica. It's not a genuine car, but whoever's built the car has spent a massive amount of time and money on it. The interior is exactly the way it should be. All the GT dash, door trims, seats and console. And the seats in that present brand new, and this car is very, very tidy. It's running a 351 V8, 4-speed top-loaded gearbox and a 9-inch rear end. He's also running the correct 5-slot wheels with the trims and caps on it, which look absolutely stunning. The paintwork and bodywork in the car is second to none. Like, this show quality, it really is that good. And it doesn't stop there. If you have a look underneath the bonnet, it is just absolutely stunning. Just like the finish, he's got all the right auto light stickers where they should be, the little paint markers which they came with from the factory. All the shocks and suspension's been done in the car as well. It's been a full ground-up restoration and rebuild. All the correct bolts and the right place are all anodised like they should be. He's really just gone to town. If this was a factory GT in this condition, I think the last one we saw we got 300k for. So, you know, this is that sort of build quality. It's absolutely perfect. All the right decals, bumper overriders, everything's perfect with the car. But if you have got the budget to buy an XY GT and you want a good replica, and this, I'll tell you what, this would be probably one of the best we've had. Definitely worth having a look. Jump online at lloydsauctions.com.au or pop down to Carrara and have a squeeze yourself. But coming up this weekend, and a fantastic car.